Hello and welcome back to the Mechanical Rookies. In this episode, we try something that's not MG.
So, the story goes with this one, we're actually going to try a Copart car. So it's a salvage title car, if you're from America. So in the UK we used to have Cat D, Cat C, and Cat B, and now we've got Cat N, Cat S, and so on. So this car we bought is for the missus. She fancied an upgrade, and this is what we've gone with. So you're going to find out in a moment, and you'll see how we get on with this journey.
So, here it is. The Mini Cooper S. Now, as far as modern cars can go, still a fun little car to bomb around the UK roads in. The car shown on the left of the screen, the first car we looked at prior to looking at salvage, a 73 plate 1.5 Cooper. The same spec as the one you see in the video, but the difference is, the car was 24 grand. The one we ended up with? Yeah, it was less than half of that price.
Now, there's a catch, and you'll be introduced to that catch very, very soon. The car was purchased as vandalism, and by the pictures we had of it, it was rather on the well done side of things. Now, let's face it, if it was a steak, this thing would be in the bin. The car had just been delivered from the furthest possible point away from us, a place called Sandwich. But was it worth it? You're about to find out.
It flickers.
Oh yeah.
Now, if we have no information other than the vandalism tag and what could have caused such a mess, we don't know, but we're about to find out. So much we had to wear masks and the gloves to protect from whatever lay ahead of us.
So, first of all, we are going to start off by reading any stored codes in the car's modules.
No message in this front panel display.
First things first, me dad pulled out the code reader. Let's find out if there's anything terminal.
Okay, it's just canvas in it.
So, Chris is just plugging into the car, as Sam said. We need to determine if there's any faults. Now, in a car, you have a network of wires. Those network of wires talk to each other between the modules, and they establish if there's any issues. This is something called a CAN network. Basically, the brains of the car can see if there's anything that's not right. This could be something such as a check engine light, a module that's not reporting back as, unhappy, and right now we're seeing a lot of errors. These are things that are unplugged or malfunctioning due to the fire.
I don't know where you'll find it. Seat modules, I bet they've gone down and all.
That sounds expensive.
But you get them with your seats,
Oh
won't you?
dear, alright.
Yeah, you get them all as one.
Right, so what's up here?
Engine oil 37%. Oh, that's its life in it though.
Yeah.
I'll give it a service.
See if there's auto ABS.
On a date.
Right, so let's start with taking out the seats. This thing is toast. I mean, not the good type of toast, burnt toast. I mean, the toast that the steak was in.
What's the carpet?
So, as you can see, the seat being very burnt. And while we're at it, obviously we took the rest of the very burnt and melted trims out.
So, seats out. Time to have a look. So new seat is on the list.
And uncrispy seatbelt.
Wet through this carpet. I don't know whether I've stuff inside it, you know, to put fire out.
Maybe.
Yes, it's wet in here.
Maybe spray
I think it might be fire with sand.
Where to grab that?
Is that better?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Ralph, you've got a new dog, man. Hey, that's a bit swish for a dog. So you can keep this as a memento. That's its barcode. Its loss type is vandalism. On the 22nd of the 11th, it was a Copart. And it's a Cooper S. Isn't an E an electric?
Yeah, but it's definitely got an engine. So.
I think that's a sticker in there, so it's electric, really.
Does it make noises when it starts?
Yeah, it's just something that banging.
So, it's time to start ripping the carpet out. This thing is absolutely soaked. So we're dreading what else we're about to find.
Do that again. That'll freeze.
Signatured. What does N mean?
Cat in.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it meant north.
No, it went down itself.
Couldn't have been any further south.
Oh, right. Oh, Sophie's got floppy pedals.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's for getting around Old Bargain's car park, that's it.
And brake turns.
Yeah.
Sophie, don't worry. I'll get you some Mackey's trays. We'll go and brake turn. Look at the speakers in back quarters.
I know, it's got tweeters, isn't it?
In the back. Yeah. Oh, Rod's gonna be vibing back there.
Yeah.
On his dog bed.
That's the way I hold it is.
Chuck us that bottle.
Gated manual. Oh wait, no, it's Sonata. Flappy
It's a
pedals.
flappy auto. Pretty good, that.
You know what really makes me confused? Sports mode in a manual.
It'd probably be ECU though,
That's
won't
what mine's sports
Yeah.
mode.
it? So it'll, when you put it in
My
green
Mini
mode,
has
it does.
sports mode. My other Mini has a sports mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a manual though. If it's on the.
Yeah, because it does. That'll just do engine, but it'll do box. Won't it?
Oh, is that for the layout?
Yeah.
Why is that not
Ben?
That's a good dress as well. So,
Yeah, they explode though. That means. Not internally though, like this one.
So at this point, we realise we're going to need a full interior. Now, this is something that obviously you can get. There's a lot of minis around. It's a bit of a later car, so getting the right one's going to be hard. Some bits we can save out of this, like we think the passenger seat's okay, and some of the rear seat. So let's get them last bits out and we can do an assessment.
You what?
Did they clean up?
Might do. I just need to shut that out a sec. Got any wiring damage behind top?
Can't see it.
Yeah.
Pull your pants up.
Hey, this must be a top spec with that seat, sir.
Yeah.
It's going lowered.
I am Oh, it's not pop back.
So we're currently struggling to get it in gear. Now, it's a funny one because with it not having the seats in it, the car, we're guessing, detected that, you know, it wasn't safe to move. So you'll see in a minute, we decide to push it.
It goes forward, it reverses.
Just bonnet's open, Chris. Right.
Right, so as you can see now, I'm dressed up like Darth Vader. When I'm breathing, I sound like him as well. But anyway, while we're waiting to get the unit free, and so we can get onto the ramp and have a look round, I decided to give it a bit of a clean, so here we go.
Oh, you've been singing?
Yeah.
Sorry, you've got 7 seconds to make it copyright free.
That's cool. Go on. Oh. You like it?
Someone been to Morrison's?
Yeah.
Is it Morrison's?
M&S. Oh, they were
Oh,
definitely.
it's fancy,
They were
this
posh,
car.
these cars. It was from London, so they're all posh down there, aren't they?
Yeah, M&S is like little to them, yeah.
Yeah.
Just check that. Wait, it says BMW in there. Is it wet?
Uh-huh.
Is it on you? Because this side's wet. Like, look at it. Look. Oh, then again, is that just a... What is that? Ah. Oh, it might be alright. It's just a pad. It's okay. No, I think it's just a pad. And them wires wet in there.
That one.
Yeah.
No, that's pretty dry.
Bit of corrosion. I wonder if it start drying out. We need warm weather, don't we?
Are you alright?
Right, let's just have a quick look inside and see what's about. What's on the seats then? Oh, no way!
There you go.
Well, there you go, that might be
may be
the
the-
cause of your... yeah, there you go.
That may be the
We
cause.
found the thing that may have set the thing. Oof, police won't want to know.
We can restart if you want.
It's bad enough.
Cool.
We'll have to get this seat out and see what's under it. What's that there? That bit that's like hanging?
That?
Is that part headlining?
Bit of carpet, I think.
No, it's headlining, isn't it?
Whatever it was.
That-
It looks carpet though, doesn't it?
Is it carpet?
It looks like you...
I don't know if it's that round bit there, or top of headlining, look, up there.
Oh.
What was that?
Yeah, get my makeup out in my mirror.
That works.
Oh, sick! BMW quality control.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, we'll get this headlining out shortly.
Yeah.
It looks like everything's
And as
being
well,
doused
that
in
door
water
as well.
What's that?
It's got a mini.
Oh, yeah.
Sick.
Right, so here we go. The second half of the interior, shall we say. So as you can see on screen right now, I'm starting to take the passenger seat out.
Oh, something plastic. Oh, it's got a makeup pen.
So as you can see by his breath on this video, it was the deep and darkest time of year, which was actually January, I think -6. So we're just taking the rest of the trims out now, ready to get that god-awful headlining out. And then we're going to make a list and we'll start and build that back up.
I think bolts at seats are behind. Are they behind quarter panels? VCU down there?
So, yeah.
I wonder if it's that's got wet.
Don't wash the damn back at dash.
So we're currently taking out the display or the instrument cluster or whatever you want to call it. Now in the earlier minis, these were actually like dials with like a digital speedometer. In these really late ones, I think, someone will correct me on this, but I think 2022 onwards, some of the cars ended up with these later heads-up displays. Now the display's flickering, and the only thing it shows at the moment is the hazard lights. Once you turn the car on, it'll show the display and quickly go off. Now we think it's got damp in it, but we can only hope, so we're going to try and dry it out.
Right then, just in a bit of an update video. It is the afternoon, so we've had like 24 hours with this so far. We got it 3 o'clock yesterday. Within sort of 2 or 3 hours, me, Chris and Sam, we've sort of stripped it back, as you can see in the interior. We made a list. And yeah, so this is where we're at the moment. Chris has been at it this morning. The instrument cluster up here, this digital one, is it communicates with the main system with the fibre optic lead. The fibre optic lead we think was, we thought it was broken at first because it would light up and then go back off. Anyway, Chris has taken all this out, reseated everything, and then finally it started to work. So that's now working, so that's that fault sorted. Car runs great, it's up to temperature, and all the bits that are going to be staying are here. All the bits that are gone, so the seats are ruined, the carpet's ruined. We've just got to take this front section back out of it. There's these back panels, they seem okay. We need a door card over there, and there's obviously like the roof line and everything. So we're going to make a list if we hadn't shown that already. And yeah, so it's looking good so far. Car runs really well. Only lights we've got are obviously handbrake light, airbag light, and yeah, it looks great so far. So we're going to get a list together. We're going to get hold of a company we found that sell the mini parts, and we'll get them ordered. One other thing on the back of that, I've just finished cleaning the dash up. It's going really well actually. The dash seems to have become unscathed. There's a little bit on the mirror up there, and possibly need to do the trim at the top, which we might do. But yeah, luckily majority of it's come unscathed. So yeah, we'll get on with those parts now, and we'll get it all rebuilt back together.
We have got a very corroded and crispy sunroof.